Hey guys, how y'all doing? This is Dreammoods Tarot here for another reading for the sign of Aries. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Greatly appreciated. Thank you for those who subscribe, those who recently subscribed, and those who subscribe in the near future. All is welcome. Cross watchers, grab a seat. Alright, I won't hold you guys any longer. Thank you so much for your continued lovely likes, comments, and shares, and continue subscribing to my channel. I'm greatly appreciated. There's no time, no gender in tarot. This is why I highly recommend that you guys subscribe, because you just never know when you need to hear this. Take what resonates and leave what doesn't. All right, hope you guys are feeling good. It's been a while since I did some readings. Definitely I'm drawn to do something, for you guys. All right, and let's get to your reading. Let's start with the love notes. Okay, what your person wants to tell you, but it's hard for them to tell you and express this to you, and here's the reasons why. Okay, ancestors, angels, universe, any messages you would like for me to relay back to the sign of Aries, please and thank you. Please and thank you. Okay, I'm scared. I get too nervous. I am learning to open up my heart. Okay, this person has some trust issues. Okay, it's not you, it's mainly them, okay, who suffers with a lot of anxiety, all right, when it comes to new connections, all right, and revealing their true self and being open and being honest of what scares them. This person may appear macho. This person may appear that they know what they want. They're going to seek what they want. They're going to go after what they want. But in fact, this person definitely stems from insecurities. If you would tell this person that they're insecure or feel insecure, this person will definitely push you away or feel like you're targeting them. Now that's where they end up going into hermit mode. Okay, they end up freezing up, and there goes their guard. Okay, and the only reason why they'll be guarded up is because this person wants to appear to everybody that they're solid. So, like I said, cross watchers, grab a seat. If this is your Aries that does this, this is why. This person wants to show you, okay, because they do not want you to know just yet, because they feel like if they show you an ounce of insecurity, you may leave. You may think that they're weak. When in reality, if they would open up a little bit more to you, you won't feel as though that they are playing games or they're being sneaky. Instead, the way they're doing things is why you feel that way. But in fact, this ain't even it. Okay, you're not being sneaky, or they're not being sneaky. Okay, they appear that way because of the simple fact of they're afraid. They're afraid of showing you truly, that they're scared to open up, to express these thoughts, to express these emotions to you. Okay, but let's dive more deep into this. Ancestors, angels, universe, any messages you would like for me to relay back to the sign of Aries. Okay. Forgiveness. This person has to let go of the past. Because of what had transpired in the past for them is why they hold resentment, and they do certain things in ways where they feel like it's going to benefit the connection, when in reality, this is what stops and blocks them from moving forward with other people, because of the fact of how they are hoping that someone in their past forgives them, or they're waiting for that person in the past to apologize. So instead, they don't even know that they're doing themselves a disservice. Okay? They're doing themselves a disservice by holding back and hoping that the past realize who they were or what they were trying to bring to the table. Little do they know that the past does not give two cares about if. You know how someone doesn't care if they're going to get the karma? This is how their past person perceives life to be. And if they get karma, then so be it. They'll swallow it and move on. They'll learn what they need to learn and move on. While where your person thinks that and waiting for an apology that may not happen. So instead, they're blocking their blessings by not opening up, not revealing their true emotions because they're afraid of being hurt, and also waiting on the past to help them move on. How? You can't. You can't. So this person is learning to open up their heart. Despite them learning to open up their heart, they're also hoping that the past helps them do that to help them move on. But they're going to realize that the only way that they can move on is within them. Nobody else can help them move on and heal. They have to learn to do that, which they will. Okay, which they will. And sometimes it's going to take them to realize that this past person will never come and apologize. And if they do, it's going to take some time. And they might just end up missing out on good people, such as yourself, if they choose to wait on someone's apology. That may not come. Can't make this up. Signs and clues. It's revealing that they need to open up, or they will lose chances at love. They will lose chances at love. They will lose chances with being with you because they're just hoping that this past person reveal who they truly, who they are, or owns up to their mistakes or hold themselves accountable. Yeah, no. Look it. I cannot make this up. Open your heart. This person will open their heart. But give them some time. Allow them to do so. Allow them to realize that they cannot heal with others. They have to heal on their own. But they will open up their heart. And they will open up their heart to you. So give it some time. Give it some time. I mean, what confirmation do you guys need other than that? Like with this, I'm learning to open up my heart and open up your heart. Like, it is what it is. Be patient. And this person's also learning to be patient with themselves. And there is definitely signs bringing them more towards you in this connection. But that's all I have for you guys. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Greatly appreciated. Till next time, Aries. Namaste. Peace.